Well, this video is about a conversation I had, which I will put after this introduction. But it just seems now that we are living in a fascist Orwellian society, 100%. They are taking money out of people's accounts for parking charges without even disputing, without even saying, look, this is the people's land, this is not private land, this belongs to us. And yet the council is taking money. The council is there to represent the people, but they're stealing money from the people. It's not. On this occasion, the council, they went to a third party, which is called Stirling or something like that, Stirling Park. The guy clearly gave me false details. He gave false information, very blatantly gave false information, almost as if saying, oh, you're actually speaking to the spaghetti monster, haha, we're just taking money, which, well, I think it's for a parking ticket 2 years ago. That's the information we got. Oh, and you got another 3 or 4 and started demanding payment over the phone. And I said, look, you've already taken money for this charge. So here it is. They're just calling Stirling Park, which they have. Which they have taken money from my account, £169. I've called the number which is on here, and they have gave me another number to call. Phone that number, and you just seen what has happened. They've actually disconnected me. So let's try again. Let's phone the number which is on the letter.
Thank you for calling Stirling Park. Please note that your call may be recorded for training and quality purposes. Please listen carefully to the following options. To make a payment online, press 2. Payments can also be made.
Good afternoon, you're through to Jonathan. Can I take a reference number, please?
Hi, can I just ask you, is this the collections department, please? Okay, sorry for the background noise, just parked near a train station. And so what this is money has been taken from the person's account, and it's saying it's from the court production order unit, which has got an Edinburgh address. Now I've got 2 reference numbers here that's been given me by the bank involved, okay? And so is it you I speak to about this matter, or who do I speak to about this? Yeah, well, I'm interested first of all to find out who has taken the payment. I understand it was yourself in behalf of, it could have been Glasgow City Council. I don't think it's been made that clear. It could have been Glasgow City Council, but I just wanted to confirm what was, so I've got the amount, but I've not got who it was for, and secondly I've not got what it was for.
Okay, sir, so could I take your postcode now, please, to find your account?
Yep,
And your full name, please?
so Mr.
Okay, sir. So I found your account, so I just need to clear you for security. So could I have your full address and date of birth, please? Okay, sir. And your date of birth, please?
I just gave you that.
Sorry, sir.
So obviously you'll probably know what it's for, so please just let me know who it was for and what it was for. If you have any references to give me, that would be nice.
Okay, sir, so I can see here that we did implement a bank arrestment.
I see.
Okay, now can I ask, has the funds been taken from your account?
Yeah,
Can I ask for the amount?
169.10, which is the amount written down here.
Okay, so that amount of £169.10 will pay off the account, which was sitting at £169.10.
Okay, what was that for exactly?
That was for a parking fine that happened in Glasgow on Hill Street on the 22nd of the 10th, 2015 at 25 past 11.
Sorry, 22nd of the 10th, 2015.
15.
I see. And that's all the information you have about that then?
Okay, so I can also... It was a silver Mercedes.
Yeah, I mean, like, I just find it a little bit, you know, incredible that I've not been given any notice about this.
Okay, so we have sent correspondence out to yourself. We also have a bus lane contravention. We have 3 of them that are outstanding. Now, 2 of them are sitting at £90 and 1 of them sitting at £169.10.
Sorry, repeat that again. 3 bus lane, which
Yeah.
2 of them are sitting at £90.
And the 3rd one is sitting at £169.10.
Well, how can you know, how can you take that amount of money for, you know, for that when it's not even been proved that, you know, that I was driving? But secondly, I mean, it just seems that an excessive amount, you know.
Sorry, sir, the laws have changed. It's no longer the person who's driving the vehicle, it's the person who's the registered keeper.
So when did the laws change?
They changed, just give me a second, I'll be able to tell you that. They were decriminalised, so you no longer need to be taken to court for us to apply the bank arrestment. Okay, so that was a parking fine that we did the bank arrestment on. Sorry, sir. Your debit relates to a penalty charge notice issued under the Road Traffic Act 1991, whereby a charge certificate will be issued to you by the council in relation to your motor vehicle being illegally parked. This charge certificate has the same status as an extract decree arbiter, bearing a warrant for all lawful execution, and contains authority for immediate enforcement by the officers of the court, i.e. sheriff officers.
Immediate, yeah. But I mean, but it used to be that, you know, you needed a signature from a judge to do that.
Okay, so now the
4th. I'm just trying to write this down. 4th of the warrant.
summary warrant was issued on the 4th of the 2nd, 2016, and the account that the bank arrestment was applied to was sent to us by Glasgow City Council on the 6th of the 4th, 2016.
6th of the 4th, 2016. Okay, but right, that's fine. So what you're saying is that you've gotten permission, you've got written permission from a court judge to do that, or? But why is there no signature? Why can't I see any signatures within any documents then?
No, sir, we do not need a signature for us to go for a bank arrestment, sir. After the account has been passed over to ourselves, that's when a summary warrant was issued.
Yeah, but
at that point, we have the legal right to put in for a bank arrestment.
So you said that the laws had been changed regarding how you go about this. When were these laws changed and with regard to this?
No, sir, I didn't mean that. I meant that the laws for the parking fine had changed, sir, that they had been decriminalised, and that we no longer need to take you to court for this.
From the parking. So what you're saying is it's been decriminalised to just take the money without a hearing, in other words. But did you have the signature of a judge, or was it just your own signatures, or what?
Okay, so when the account was passed over to ourselves, before that point, there was a summary warrant issued on the 4th of the 2nd of 2016. After the summary warrant was issued...
Yeah, but who issued it? So you yourselves issued this then?
No, the summary warrant was issued by a judge.
By a judge. Can you tell me which judge, or you're not allowed to say?
Unfortunately, sir, I do not have that information to hand.
So you don't have the information to hand. So it would have to have been maybe a Glasgow judge, or would it have been from Edinburgh, or...
Okay, sir, if you just bear for a second, I'm just going to stick you in hold for a brief second while I check
Yeah.
up on that.
Okay.
Okay, so the parking fine is a charge certificate that was issued by Glasgow City Council. Thereafter, the account is passed over to ourselves. We have sent correspondence to yourself, notifying you that we have these accounts.
Yeah. So just try to find out the judge, though. I mean, how you actually legally took that money. That's what I'm trying to find out.
Okay, sir. Now, if you just bear for 1 second, I'll be checking up.
I just need to know some answers. That's all it says. If you have any questions, phone this number. So I mean, obviously, I'm asking questions, you know.
Okay, sir. So we received these accounts to ourselves. We then sent you a first notice. After that point, sir, we had no correspondence from yourself. We then applied a charge to the account. The charges then come back. After that point, we have gone in for the earnings arrestment. The earnings arrestment has gone forward. After that point, we have taken the funds.
Earnings arrestment. So the
bank arrestment.
Bank arrestment. So it wasn't an earnings arrestment. It was a bank arrestment.
Bank arrestment. Now, after that bank arrestment has been applied, we got the funds of £169.10. Anything above £494.01, we are allowed to take. Okay,
According to who, though?
We are governed by the Scottish Government, sir.
Yeah.
And those regulations are...
But who governs the Scottish Government? See, we have courts in order to settle disputes. So that's why we have a court. You see, so if you're saying is that you can take money from people without going through a court, I would like to know who authorised this. That's what I'm asking you.
Glasgow City Council served a charge certificate.
So, but they didn't authorise it. They didn't authorise to take money out of my bank, did they? So
No,
who was it that authorised, this transaction?
We did send correspondence to yourself, sir. You failed to contact us back to...
I'm asking you who it was. I'm asking you who it was. Listen.
At Stirling Park, we then put forward for an earnings arrestment.
Yeah.
And the earnings arrestment was then...
So I'm asking you which judge, though. I'm asking you which judge had who had the authority to actually do that.
Okay, so now the charge certificate was issued by Glasgow City Council. After that point...
You just keep repeating yourself. You're not making any sense. I'm asking you a simple question. Who was it that authorised taking money from my account? And you refuse to answer that question.
We do not need authorisation to take money from your account, sir.
You're refusing to answer that question?
No, but we do not need authorisation to take money from your account.
So you refuse to answer that question?
No, sir, I'm not refusing to answer the question. I'm answering it for you. We sent the first notice to yourself. You failed to contact us. After that point in time, sir, we then applied a charge to the account. The charges then come back to us. You still haven't contacted us, sir, to then put a payment plan in place.
Payment plan in place.
Correspondence to yourself. At that point, we have then applied for a bank arrestment.
Bank arrestment.
The bank arrestment has gone through, and the funds of £169
so you're not prepared.
have been taken.
Yeah, you keep repeating that all the time. I understand that. I understand the money has been taken. So you don't need to keep repeating it all the time. You know, you don't need to confirm that. It's something that I understand. So what I'm trying to ask you is who authorised that, but you won't answer that question. Well, you won't answer that question. So will you give me your name then?
Yes.
seem to have very similar names.
We do, sir. Now, we have 3 accounts still outstanding with yourself.
Yeah. So, but you're not prepared to confirm that it was a court judge or which judge or who exactly authorised this transaction?
The charge certificate was issued by Glasgow City Council.
Right. Alright, thanks for your help, Jonathan.
Sir, before you go,
Yeah.
I do need to advise you that failure to pay or failure to set up a payment plan could result in further legal fees or further legal action being
Yeah, you've already taken money, so I mean, what I'm trying to find out who authorised it, but you're not going to let me know. That's fine, I understand.
Before you go, sir,
That's
you
fine.
could have another bank arrestment being applied to these 3 other accounts.
Oh, so when will this be taking place? Will I get
This is what I'm trying
informed
to
of this,
say to
or
you, sir.
will I get informed of this? Are we just going to take them, or?
Well, if you do not come to a payment arrangement with me over the phone, sir, or set a payment in full, then further legal action or fees could be taken against you.
Well, I could arrange to pay something per month, but at the moment I'm not actually earning anything. So at the moment I'd really have to sort out a schedule there. It's something that I couldn't really do over the phone.
Okay, well in that case, sir, I'm unable to hold the accounts. I do have to advise you one more time that failure to pay or failure to set up a payment plan could result in further legal action or fees.
Jonathan, I don't have the money at the moment, sir. So if you just trying to find out a simple question to this 169 quid you've taken. So you know you're not very clear about it, and so obviously I got things to sort out.
Okay, so this
All right.
statement I do need to read to you. We're required to inform you the information provided may be stored to assist us in completing transactions on
That's
your
fine.
behalf for statistical purposes. However, strict confidentiality maintained at all
That's fine,
times.
Jonathan. No
May use
problem.
your contact details that you have provided or may provide to communicate with you at a later date.
Can
Therefore,
you
if details
confirm?
change at any time,
Can you
please
confirm
notify
with
us
me,
immediately.
Jonathan? Can you confirm with me any reference number?
Unfortunately,
Which
sir, I'm going to be now ending the call. I have come to a impasse where I can no longer discuss this account with you. If you're not available to make a payment arrangement today or set up a payment in full,
I already have made a payment, Jonathan. I made a payment on the 1st of September.